Not guilty verdicts on all charges were handed down in a London, Ontario courtroom today. The high-profile hockey trial has concluded with the judge telling the 5 players they're free to go. People who advocate for sex assault victims say the decision has left them disappointed but not surprised. CTV's Nahreman Issa has reaction to the acquittals.
After an 8-week trial, 5 former members of the 2018 World Junior Hockey Team arrived to see its conclusion. Michael McLeod, Dylan Dubé, Carter Hart, Alex Fermenton, and Cal Foote were each charged with sexual assault stemming from an encounter in a hotel room in June of 2018. The judge found them not guilty on all charges.
We have received dozens of messages from people across Canada and abroad asking us to pass along these messages of thanks and support for EM.
The woman at the center of the case, referred to in court as EM, says she consented to going to a hotel for sex with McLeod, but was later sexually assaulted by his teammates after McLeod invited them to the room. Justice Maria Caracia said she did not find the evidence of EM to be either credible or reliable, adding where she had gaps in her memory, she filled them with assumptions.
I think she could have done all that she needed to do if she was intent on finding those boys not guilty by not just rubbing more salt into the wound.
Mary Jane James with the Sexual Assault Centre of Edmonton says this was a complex case. She says only about 6% of sexual assault victims pursue charges.
And what I'm fearful of is that there will be a ripple effect, that even more survivors will avoid the justice system.
This sports culture professor says the case has created some positive discussion.
There's been some important changes to Hockey Canada and some important recognition of some of the problems and challenges within high performance sport and hockey in particular. And so I hope that those efforts will continue.
James says while she respects the justice's decision,
the behavior that they demonstrated in that room that night was reprehensible at best. And I hope that they will take this experience and go forward and have learned something from it.
The Crown's office says her team will review the decision and that she has no further comment as the case is within the appeal period. Nahreman Issa, CTV News, Edmonton.